We gotta crack at it after you're done.
Okay, ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I see it.
Get back.
Okay, go get the hammer.
It's like an animal.
Oh, I smell it.
It smells like a fart.
Where's that in your nose?
I always wanted to know what was inside one of these crappy TVs.
Okay, it's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn.
No wonder they kill babies.
Ah!
Don't.
Yeah!
No.
Give me it again. Take the glass.
Here. Do it right here.
Okay. Wait, no!
Okay.
What? You sure this isn't right?
Wow.
That's it. I would have expected like something else to be in there.
Watch out.
Oh, at the top, at the top. Dad,
Watch out.
let me see.
Watch out.
No, Dad! Leave some for us! Yeah. Lord, how many of these? More! Another! And more!
Come on.
I don't know. Ah! Oh!
They're becoming.
I wonder what the neighbors are thinking.
Okay, hit it. Wyatt, get that. Get the top of that.
Come on, get it!
Right there.
Get in there!
I gave it him.
What? What? As hard as you can! More power!
Oh,
You know what? Let me do it.
Oh, nice.
okay, violated.
So
Okay.
many bites. Okay. Ow!
That was cool though because the tube was. Here. Calm down. Calm down.
What the babies?
I'm going to play golf.
Oh my god!
Now I think it's good.
It looks
All in one.
oh my god, I see the inside.
Okay, now let's see what it looks like.
Come on, you gotta take off the top. Stand back, Dad! No! No!
What's it?
You hammer! Stop!
Watch your camera. Watch your camera.
Get her out! Wait, I gotta take out the input.
Wait, I want to see what this looks like.
Is that the thing that might have blown up? We're gonna smash that too, right?
Take it down.
It's going into the 9-hole.
Hopefully this one.
Yeah!
Here, go.
Wait, I want to smash this thing.
Oh! Doesn't weigh anything now. Okay, that's good enough, Jake. There's stuff flying around that's gonna blind you. Great, stand back. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna finish this off.
Finish him! Oh my god, I found a chip!
Keep it. Oh,
It's a
it
chip.
smells bad.
Okay.
This is what's inside your house. And provides you crap.
This is is what was behind the TV screen.
I don't like that TV anymore. Ow! That's sharp.
Jake, don't. Don't. Come on, out.
That's sharp.
Is it still
Jake, help me
filming?
get this off.
Is it?
Yeah. Jake, help me get this off.
Jake, don't. Don't come over here. I didn't notice you didn't have any shoes.
I do have shoes on. We're not hillbillies. Hi. I'm a hillbilly.
Look at that.
Wait, can we take... Oh, I wanted to do that. Wait. Hold on. A second. Wait. Dad. Calm down. Howdy, neighbors. Yeah.
Take back. Okay, that's good.
Timber.
It's done.
Hey.
There's nothing left. Take the speaker.
You still want it on eBay, Kyle?
What you
Kyle
want?
wanted that TV.
Here, can you get her? Can you get her that?
What?
A what?
What's he saying?
Want it?
Does Kyle still want it? That was cool.
Can you help me get it?
Get that off of his head.
Wait, hold on.
Jake, don't. You don't have shoes on. Get out.
This is how we do it.
How we do it?
That's what makes it. Look at how thick that glass is. That's from the TV screen. The front of the TV.
Is it sharp?
That's insane.
Is it sharp? No, it's sharp. You're a baby. Oh. Scared the crap out of me, Dad.
Come on.
Where'd I put the chip? Where'd the chip go?
Jake, throw that away.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, don't throw it away. Oh, the heck?
Old technology.